Frogs, with their captivating calls and mesmerizing metamorphoses, have graced our planet for millions of years. Their lineage stretches back to the Triassic period, a time when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. This incredible journey through time has resulted in a staggering diversity of frog species, each adapted to its unique corner of the world. They have weathered countless environmental changes, witnessing the rise and fall of entire ecosystems. Yet today, these ancient survivors face an unprecedented challenge: the impact of human activities on a global scale. The fate of frogs is intertwined with our own, highlighting the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect these remarkable creatures and the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. From the vibrant rainforests of the Amazon to the arid deserts of Australia, frogs have colonized a remarkable range of habitats. Some species, like the vibrantly colored poison dart frogs, are a testament to nature's artistic flair. Others, like the well-camouflaged mossy frogs, blend seamlessly into their surroundings, masters of disguise in the game of survival. The sheer variety of frog adaptations is a testament to the power of natural selection, shaping life to thrive in even the most challenging environments. Their unique life cycles, characterized by metamorphosis from aquatic tadpoles to terrestrial adults, further exemplify their remarkable adaptations. From tiny rain frogs smaller than a fingernail to the giant Goliath frog spanning over a foot in length, the world of frogs is a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Few creatures embody the vibrant beauty and deadly potential of nature as vividly as poison dart frogs. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, these tiny amphibians are a sight to behold, adorned with a dazzling array of colors and patterns. But their beauty belies a potent secret. Their skin harbors a deadly cocktail of toxins, a defense mechanism honed by evolution over millennia. The toxins, derived from their diet of ants and other small invertebrates, vary in potency among species. Indigenous tribes have long recognized the lethal potential of these toxins, using them to coat blowgun darts for hunting. Despite their deadly arsenal, poison dart frogs are facing an increasing threat from habitat loss, climate change, and the illegal pet trade. Their decline is a stark reminder of the delicate balance of ecosystems and the importance of conservation efforts to protect these unique and fascinating creatures. In the murky depths of sub-Saharan African waters, a peculiar amphibian reigns supreme: the African clawed frog. Unlike their terrestrial counterparts, these frogs are entirely aquatic, spending their entire lives submerged beneath the surface. As their name suggests, African clawed frogs possess 3 short clawed toes on their hind feet, used to grasp and tear apart their prey. These claws, along with their powerful hind legs, make them formidable predators in their aquatic realm, feeding on insects, small fish, and even other frogs. Interestingly, African clawed frogs lack external eardrums, relying instead on their sensitive skin and bones to detect vibrations in the water. Despite their somewhat unassuming appearance, African clawed frogs have played a significant role in scientific research. Their legacy remains, highlighting the unexpected ways in which nature can contribute to human knowledge and understanding. Frogs, with their ancient lineage and remarkable adaptations, are facing a crisis of unprecedented proportions. Across the globe, amphibian populations are in decline, with scientists estimating that over 1/3 of all frog species are threatened with extinction. This alarming trend is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the profound impact of human activities on the natural world. Frogs, as sensitive indicators of environmental health, are among the first to be impacted by changes in their surroundings. Their permeable skin and dependence on both aquatic and terrestrial habitats make them particularly vulnerable to pollution, habitat loss, and climate change. The plight of frogs is a stark warning, a reminder that the health of our planet is inextricably linked to the well-being of its inhabitants. Their decline has far-reaching consequences, disrupting delicate food webs and impacting the health of ecosystems worldwide. As we witness the disappearance of these fascinating creatures, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect the natural world and the urgent need for conservation efforts to preserve biodiversity for generations to come. One of the most significant threats facing frogs today is the relentless destruction and fragmentation of their habitats. As humans continue to expand their footprint on the planet, forests are cleared, wetlands are drained, and grasslands are converted to agricultural lands, leaving frogs with fewer places to call home. The conversion of natural habitats not only reduces the available space for frogs to live, but also fragments their populations, isolating them into smaller, more vulnerable groups. For amphibians, which rely on both aquatic and terrestrial habitats to complete their life cycles, the loss and degradation of wetlands are particularly devastating. Wetlands, often viewed as unproductive wastelands, are vital breeding grounds for countless frog species. The plight of frogs is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the urgent need for sustainable practices that balance human needs with the preservation of biodiversity. The impacts of climate change are already being felt across the globe, and frogs, with their sensitive skin and dependence on water, are among the most vulnerable creatures to its effects. Rising temperatures, altered rainfall patterns, and increased frequency of extreme weather events are all taking a toll on amphibian populations worldwide. Changes in temperature and precipitation can disrupt the delicate breeding cycles of frogs, affecting egg development, tadpole survival, and adult behavior. Warmer temperatures can also lead to the spread of deadly diseases such as chytridiomycosis, a fungal infection that has decimated frog populations worldwide. The unpredictable nature of these events makes it challenging for frogs to adapt, pushing them closer to the brink of extinction. Their decline is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the urgent need for collective action to mitigate the impacts of climate change and protect the planet's biodiversity. The haunting calls of frogs, a familiar soundtrack to warm spring nights, are slowly fading from our world. As amphibian populations dwindle, so too do the vibrant choruses that once filled the air, leaving behind a symphony of silence. Frog calls serve a vital role in their life cycle, attracting mates, defending territories, and ensuring the continuation of their species. The loss of these calls can disrupt breeding patterns, reduce genetic diversity, and ultimately lead to the extinction of entire populations. As keystone species in many ecosystems, their decline has cascading effects, impacting the health of food webs, the control of insect populations, and the overall balance of nature. The silence of the frogs is a call to action, urging us to protect these fascinating creatures and the delicate balance of life on Earth. Despite the daunting challenges facing frogs, there is hope. Dedicated scientists, conservationists, and communities around the world are working tirelessly to protect these remarkable creatures and their fragile habitats. From establishing protected areas to captive breeding programs, these guardians of frogs are fighting to reverse the tide of extinction. Research plays a crucial role in conservation efforts, helping to identify threatened species, understand the factors driving their decline, and develop effective conservation strategies. By unraveling the mysteries of frog biology, scientists are gaining valuable insights into the impacts of environmental change and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Community-based conservation efforts are also crucial for long-term success. The fate of frogs is a stark reminder that we are not merely observers of the natural world, but rather active participants in its destiny. The choices we make today will determine the future of these fascinating creatures and the health of our planet for generations to come. Protecting frogs is not just about saving a single species, it is about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all. By safeguarding their habitats, reducing our environmental footprint, and supporting conservation efforts, we can make a difference. Each one of us has a role to play in this collective endeavor. Let us heed the warning of their decline and work together to create a world where these remarkable creatures can continue to thrive for generations to come.